So now, as you all can see that yesterday we have given the introduction related to the chapter data handling. In that, I have discussed what is pictograph. The data, when it is represented in the form of pictures, it is called pictograph. Okay, so the data when it is collected in the form of picture is called pictograph. Then we did also that the data representing the data representing through telemark as well, and these both the things we'll discuss it today also. So we'll do some questions related to pictograph, and one more question we'll do it related to telemark as well. So सबसे पहले start करते हैं pictograph. And if you will see on your board, the question is written: draw a pictograph representing the sale of a sweet, sales of sweets on a particular day in Sweet Hub. तो यहाँ पर एक शॉप के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. द नेम इज स्वीट हब, एंड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ स्वीट्स एंड हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्वीट्स were sold out in that particular shop that we are going to represent in the form of picture. Okay, we start recording now. As you all can see that we have different kinds of sweets like laddu 25, kaju katli 35, rasgulla 50, jalebi 20, and barfi 30, and son papdi 15. Okay, now you can see the data which is written here. Some are in the form of full number of the things like 50, 20, 30, like that, and there are some where like 25, 35, and 15. So how will we represent? So in that case, always remember, if you will remember the data of yesterday, it was totally whole number. Like whole number means you were knowing that 2 eraser, 2 sharpener, 2 pastry, like that. But अगर आप बात करो इधर पे, so it's 25, 35, and 15 as well. So remember, we will represent the data in little different way, just little different way. Going to represent everything in the form of pictures now. So the first heading which I have written is that sweets. Another column I am writing number of sweets sold. But in place of number of sweets sold, we'll represent the data into the form of picture, because as we are drawing the pictograph. Now you must be knowing कि अगर हमें full picture बनानी है, that means it will be representing one, because 25 picture तो हम लोग draw नहीं कर सकते, 35 तो draw करेंगे नहीं. So what we are doing, we are categorizing the data. Categorizing the data means that we will be taking one, and then we will be grouping it in some amount of numbers. So what we are going to do, that one sweet will represent 10 number of sweets sold. Number of sweets sold. ठीक है? So one sweet मतलब I'm talking about one picture. ठीक है? So one sweet pic which you will be drawing it here, it will be representing the 10 number of sweets sold. What about 5 then? If you have to represent 5 in that case, you have to just draw that sweet half. Okay, correct. So if you have to represent 5 over there, you have to represent 25 over there or 35 over there. So you have to just draw that particular sweet in a half position. It will be solved then. Okay. So सबसे पहले, if you will be knowing, I have told laddu was 25. Okay, laddu was 25. So here we are taking 1, as laddu is goal. So we will try to represent in the form of circle only. So laddu, 1 laddu, that representing 10, then 20, and then half, that is 25. Okay, so total 25 laddus were sold. Now talking about Kaju Katli, everyone knows that Kaju Katli have the shape always like a rhombus. So I think it was 35. So we are taking it 1, that is 10 now. Now this is 20 now. This is 30 now. And this is 40, 35. Okay, half we are drawing, so it's 35 now. Now always remember one of the thing, आप चाहो तो ऐसे भी represent कर सकते हो half को इसमें. ठीक है, ये भी 35 ही कहलाएगा. So it's, if you want to draw it in this way, that is fine. If you want to draw it in this way, that is also fine. Now as I have already drawn, so I am going to rub that one. ठीक है. So this is now 35. Now moving on to Rasgulla. Rasgulla again, the shape is circle. So what I'm going to do, I'm just defining it little in a design mode so that we will be making it little different from Laddu now. So any one of you just tell me what were the numbers. Okay. So Laddus, Rasgullas were 50. So it means 5 pictures. So this will be now 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. I have just tried it to make it little different from Laddu because Laddu is again circle, Rasgulla is again circle. So I just took it little bit of design. If you want to draw it this only, you can write it down simply R. आप सर्कल के अंदर R भी लिख सकते हो, तो then it will be making it different. रसगुल्ला पे you can write it down R, लड्डू पे you can write it down L. That can be also better than. ठीक है? Ayushi, I'll reply your answer in the last. Huh? Now moving on to jalebi. I think jalebi was worth 30 or 20. Please
20.
120.
20.
120.
So jalebis were 20. So one representing 10 and another one representing 20. Now this is jalebi is also done. Now moving on to barfi. I think barfis were 15. So here we have now barfi and barfis were 30. So this we are taking it in a form of rectangular shape. So 1, 2 and 3. This is 30 barfis now. Okay. And the last one, that is 15 son papdis. So 15 ke liye we will be taking son papdis in the form of, I am making it a square only. You can make it in a cuboid form also. ठीक है? आप cuboid form में भी बना सकते हो और या cube के form में. So this is son papdi from my end. You can draw it according to your choice also. ठीक है? आप भी अपने हिसाब से बना सकते हो. So this is 15 from my side. Okay. Now this is the whole data which we have represented into the form of pictures, where one picture represents 10 and half picture represents 5. Okay. So always remember that pictograph has one demerit also. Everything is having one demerit, and if you will talk about this pictograph, it is also having one demerit, that आप नंबर ऑफ पिक्चर्स आप अगर 5 है 10 है तो आप बड़े इजीली रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो हाफ बना करके, एंड यू विल रिप्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फुल नंबर इफ इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 समथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है? या अगर आपने ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, आपकी एक पिक्चर को 2 रिप्रेजेंट कर दो. ठीक है? आप ये भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट वन पिक्चर एज 2. ठीक है? देन वन पिक्चर विल बी रिप्रेजेंट, हाफ पिक्चर विल बी 1. तब आप 9 को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, 23 को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. बट रिमेंबर, इन दैट केस नंबर ऑफ पिक्चर्स विल बी मेनी मोर. उस समय बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स हो जाएंगी आपके पास. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको 29 शो करना है, ठीक है, एंड इफ यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग वन पिक्चर एज 2 एंड हाफ पिक्चर एज 1, तो 29 बनाने के लिए आपको 10-11 पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करनी पड़ जाएंगी, उससे भी ज्यादा. ठीक है? एंड दैट विल बी क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू ड्रॉ द हाउ मेनी पिक्चर्स यू आर मेकिंग इट. So that is why pictograph is not so much a very healthy method, I can tell you. It is used very less, but it is a very interesting method. Remember, okay? It is a very interesting method as well because children like pictures and it becomes very easy to understand. So that pictograph is a very easy method, but only remember in that case when the data is less. जब हमारे पास डेटा कम होता है and it is a very sorted data, in that case pictograph is very helpful for us. But if you have the more data, if you have the numbers in a complex manner, then it becomes little lengthy. So as you all can see on the board, the question is written here, which is related to a telemark, that represent the data representing the favorite sports of student of class 6. Now here I will do a survey. सर्वे का मतलब होता है बेटा डिफरेंट लोगों से उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना, इज कॉल्ड सर्वे करना. ठीक है? So what we are doing, I will be doing a survey from your class and I'll be asking one by one from everyone. Suppose that what is your favorite sports? Now I would request everyone, I can see there are 26 students present. So I would request everyone to please type your favorite sports on the chat. Now I have written the whole data, like B stands for basketball, C stands for cricket, volleyball 3, taekwondo 2, kho 3, and S for skating for 7. Now these are the data related to the sports which you like the most. So I have collected this data from your class only. So now let us represent this data into the form of telemark. Okay? So now I will be including the column. सबसे पहले यहाँ पर रहेगा ये वाला column हम नहीं हटाएंगे. ठीक है? I'm just removing this one. Now my heading will be the sports. The first one heading will be the sports. Second one, it will be frequency. This is called frequency. इसको हम बोलते हैं बेटा frequency. Frequency means होता है how many people like. ठीक है? How many people like this one? So we'll write it down. I am writing the full name. You have to write it down. Remember, na? You will write down the full name when you will write it down. This. Okay? So this is here. This one. Now it was V. It was T, it was K, and this is S now. Okay. So now sports I have written in one column. Second column I have written frequency, and now third column will be there for the topic telemark. So here I'll write it down TALLY tele MARK telemark. Okay. Now you are knowing how to represent. Yesterday only it was taught for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 I just cluster this. Okay, so this is 5 representing it. Now moving on to 10, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is 10. 5, 5 plus 10. Now moving on to 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Now moving on to 2. 1, 2. This is 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 7. Skating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now this is the data which is representing the number of people or number of students who like which sport. So I have one side I have categorized the sports. Another column is for frequency. Frequency का मतलब होता है number of times. How many number of times the particular thing is coming again and again, or it is repeating. So that is called frequency. कोई भी data कितनी बार repeat होता है, that is known as frequency. ठीक है? Now the last column is telemark, which we have represented.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Okay?